I'm here at Bogany Point behind the iconic sewage pumping station that was constructed back in the 1930s. It was noted by the council and at one of the meetings that we were looking at doing some repairs to upgrade the building while we were doing the screening and the new pumps within the station itself. The building has been identified as an iconic structure. On your way into Rothesay on the ferry, off the port side of the boat, you can see this structure. Scottish Water is just working on doing the renovation works at present, renewing the coping stones, new block work and redoing some of the galvanised gratings. The Victorians that came down the water, as they say, for their holidays. Rothesay's always been a key holiday destination, I think, for Glaswegians. They would maybe come down in the Victorian times, you know, for a couple of days or maybe a full fortnight. It's always been a holiday destination for the location, the scenery, been down the side of the Clyde. It's now a part of the Scottish Water wastewater infrastructure that we maintain. The upgrade that we're doing is a part of that works and ongoing from an operational point of view. Well, hopefully we get a lot of tourists down here and taking the walk along the front and actually going to stopping at the station because a lot of cyclists stop, have their packed lunch, so it's open to the public as such from that point of view, so it's a good place to come and, as I say, take a wander around.